What makes manufacturing so cool? The employees at BTM Incorporated, a pump manufacturer in Jim Thorpe, will answer that question.
My name is David Henritzi. I'm operations manager with BTM Incorporated. I started working at BTM in 1994. I went to school, a degree in industrial automation, and the late owner, Dean Beers, wanted to delve into the CNC machining world. So they saw that they liked me for me and figured they could teach me the rest.
Name's Cameron Arner, and I'm a machinist.
When did you start working here?
About 4 years ago. So I enjoy working with my hands, being able to get in depth, making every part individually. It's cool to see how everything comes together after you make it.
Did your father working at BTM have any effect on your decision to work here?
It has, because when I was younger, I always seen some stuff that he brought home that he made before, and every once in a while I would come in here to work with him. Began to like to see what he was doing, so I decided to go to CCTI, learn how to do it myself.
My name is Kyle Arner, I'm a machinist. It's a career that I picked that, that fits me, that's something that I like to do.
How has working with your son Cameron affected your relationship with him?
I'm just glad that I'm there for him, and it seems like we've grown closer together and a tighter bond. Of course, being here, we've developed a lot of friendships and stuff.
One of the great things about being here is we are like a family. One of the nice things being in a small company is you do develop them relationships with your coworkers, and they're more than just coworkers. So they're your family, your friends.
What have we taken away from this video? There are many things about manufacturing you might consider cool, like the machines or the things they make, but I think we came to the conclusion that people are what makes manufacturing so cool.